Hey, so based on my YouTube statistics, there's a 90% chance that you are a millennial. And as a millennial, what we tend to do is to take things for granted. There has never been an easier time in the history of mankind than now to actually start a business for yourself from scratch. Yet we take it for granted and most people never attempt to actually try to start something for themselves. So with that said, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to start a blog for free and make money. Yes, you can actually start a blog for free and make money doing that. And I'm going to be showing that to you in detail in this video. So if you want to learn exactly how you can do that for yourself, then make sure you watch this entire video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying on this video. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kurt Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to use the internet to start their own businesses. So if you want to learn exactly how you can start a business online, then make sure you get subscribed to my channel because I'm always putting out some great content to teach you exactly how to do that. I've been running my own internet-based businesses for over 2 years now, so I have a wealth of knowledge to share with you, so I highly suggest you get subscribed. Okay, so with that said, let me dive right into it and talk to you guys about how you can actually start a blog for free and make money. Just about 30 years ago, it was impossible for the individual man like myself, and perhaps for you, to start and scale a business from scratch if we didn't have one of three things. So back in the 1980s and prior to that, and maybe even parts of the 1990s, if you had a business and you wanted to scale that business, you had no options but to actually go to one of these media companies. You had to go to your local newspaper, your magazine, your radio station, or your television station if you wanted to get your message in front of as many people as you possibly could. But this fourth industrial revolution has definitely changed that for us as millennials and Gen Zers. But we tend to take advantage of this amazing opportunity, and I think that is because we grew up in this era where the internet is actually at the center of that universe. So right now the internet is at scale, right? And which means it is growing at an enormous pace, and eventually we think it's going to replace traditional media altogether in a very short period of time. So now television is not as relevant as it was in the 1980s. The radio is not as relevant as it was in the 1980s. The newspaper is definitely not as relevant as it was back in the 1980s. So why not take advantage of this opportunity right now and start your own media company and use that to generate an income for yourself? So that is what I'm going to be talking about here. And I'm going to be showing you how to start a blog and to make money from that. So before I dive into that, I'm going to be pointing out the 7 ways that I've come up with over the past couple of weeks that you can use the internet to actually generate an income, right? So these are the 7 simplest and easiest ways to make money using the internet, to make money from your presence online, whether it be through a blog or through a YouTube channel or through Instagram, whatever it is. Once you have a presence online, these are the 7 ways to actually monetize that presence. So once I'm through these 7 ways of monetization, then I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can start your blog for free and start incorporating these 7 ways of monetization to start making money for yourself. So method number 1 to monetizing your online presence through a blog or whatever it is on the internet is to sell your services. So this video is about blogging. So let's say, for example, you started a blog about accounting and you're getting traffic and you're creating content around that topic. You could actually sell your services as an accountant, because if you're creating accounting content, chances are you know a lot about accounting, so you could sell services related to that topic that you're discussing. That is method number 1 of monetizing your presence online. The second method is to sell a physical product. So you could actually do something like writing a book and sell that on your blog as well. That's the second way that you could monetize your presence online, by selling a physical product, maybe in the form of a book. The third way that you could monetize your presence online, which is one of the most popular ways right now, that's because it's generating a pretty good return on investment for every single person that is taking advantage and doing it now, is to sell a course or a membership program. So you could create a course about your niche, about your topic on your blog and sell that as well, or you could sell some form of membership with a membership site where you charge people a monthly fee, maybe $7 or $10 or $100 per month to get drip content from you. So each month you would give them more content to keep them in your membership program. The next way is that you could host different webinars or seminars. So you could do this 100% online if that's what you want, and that's what I recommend. So you could do paid webinars where you could get people to come to your webinars and pay you, and you could make money from that, all through your blog content once again. The next way is to create an e-commerce store. So this is reserved when you start getting a lot of traffic and you have more influence, but it's a great way to make money as well. The next method, number 6, is to start affiliate marketing. This is something you can start as a beginner, and it's recommended as a beginner along with selling your services to monetizing your blog or any other online presence. And finally, advertising revenue. This method of blogging that I'm going to be talking to you about right now is a great way to generate ad revenue for your business as well. So those are the 7 ways that you can monetize your presence online, whether you're doing content on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or blogging on a platform that allows that. So with that said, let me just dive into how you can actually start your own blog for free. So the easiest way to start a blog right now and to start communicating with your potential customers through the written word is to start writing on medium.com. So medium.com is a platform for readers and writers. So similar to YouTube where you can upload videos, on Medium you can only upload text, and Medium is a great place to actually start blogging, and that is what I recommend. So if you want to get into blogging and you don't want to actually set up your own blog, maybe you don't have any money to pay for hosting, to pay for a domain name, and you don't know how to build a website, and you don't want to pay to build out your blog, you could go to medium.com, sign up with your Google information or your Facebook information, and start writing immediately. So how do you actually build an audience on Medium and start getting viewership so you can actually start making money using one of the 7 methods that I've outlined for you earlier? So you have to be creating a lot of content, right? So content is not just about creating one single piece of content right now and hoping that it goes viral. You have to be doing it frequently. So what I recommend is, once you're ready to actually start taking this seriously, which I highly recommend you do, is that you need to start creating content daily. And the great thing about Medium is you can write as long or as short of content as you want. So you could start writing 200 words per day around your topic and start putting out daily content, and in that content you can actually link to different affiliate programs. All right, so you could join the Amazon Associate Program if that's what you want to do and start selling affiliate products from that, or you could sell your services. So you could have a call to action to say, hey, an accountant, if you want accounting services, click here, hire me as an accountant. And that is how you can do it with Medium. The reason why Medium is great is because Medium, just like different marketplaces such as YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or Amazon or eBay, these type of websites, they get their own traffic. So you're not solely responsible for generating traffic. While I highly recommend that you promote your articles and try to get additional traffic, you can actually get traffic from Medium itself. Medium generates traffic, and if you use the right keywords and if you optimize your blogs on Medium the right way, you can generate traffic and get that free traffic from Medium and get people to actually become your customers and start doing business with you. So that is how you can actually go ahead and actually start a blog for free and make money doing it. So I really do hope you found this video helpful. This is value packed, and this is some real killer information that if you take action right now, in a matter of 6 months to a year, you can actually start generating decent income doing this. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions about how you can actually get this to work for you, let me know in the comments. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because just like this video, I have some amazing content coming out in the next couple of weeks. Thanks once again, and I'll see you in my next